Hello, I hope you're having a good day. So in this tutorial, I will give you the overview of this app, Easify Custom Product Options app. This is one of my favorite app for the reason because if someone is starting a Shopify store, it makes the process very easy. It gives you the template of how you can define the product options. For example, if you are running a cake shop and you want the best options to give to your customers or most convenient options. So how would you think? You don't have to go to ChatGPT or some other AI tool to think about it. You can just install this app and your problem would be resolved. I will show you what I meant by templates. It is really important if you are starting a Shopify store, you should consider such apps which provides the templates. I will show you. If you remember a few months ago, I also recommended an app which was the product options, and this app is better than the previous app. In my personal opinion, this is my personal opinion, not based on any other thing. So I will show you how this template actually works, and thanks to this app team for this tutorial, they have given me access to their paid plan so that I can make the video in a better way for you. And I'm personally recommending this app because of a lot of features that are really important for the beginners, for the entrepreneurs, and the people who are starting their Shopify journey. So if I show you the plan, which is really affordable, it is like pro plan is $10 per month, and the premium plan is $20 per month. But the options that they give you in this price range is marvelous. So let me show you how this app actually works. So the process is very simple. I think I don't have to repeat. You have to install the app, and then you have to enable the app in the theme customization. Without enabling it in the theme customization, the app won't work. This is one of the basic steps that you should know for a Shopify store. I have been repeating these steps in every video. So for this video, I can skip it. I hope you already know. If you don't know, you can watch any of my app installation video and you will get the idea. So once you install the app, it will look something like this. Okay. So basically, we have to embed the app. As I told you before, you have to embed the app in the theme customization. It is already embedded uh, from my side. Okay, so once you install that, you see basically two options: templates, product option sets. So these are the options that you will be dealing with. Then again, they show you the orders that were created using this app, and the settings, plan, integration, affiliates. So the options that are relevant to you is templates and option sets, and more specifically, you will be only dealing in templates because they have tons of templates. I don't think anyone should go for option sets unless that is your custom requirement. Okay, so let me check the battery also. Okay, we are good to go. Sorry. So the app is embedded in the theme customization, and then as you can see, theme embedded status is enabled. This should be enabled. Then how this app looks like. So you have to click on templates, and that's where the magic happens. Okay. So I will put my screen on the top, put my face on the top of it. So pre-designed templates, you have 71 pre-designed templates. That is amazing. So you are selling order note, custom t-shirt, like you are selling strawberries. I will show you how this actually works. Tailor-made dress, you are selling wedding dress, theme jersey, combined listing, basic t-shirt, ring, or in a necklace, mixed cookies, cupcakes, 6 packs, or you can say 8 packs, envelope necklace, and you have got like 71 templates. I'll show you. You are selling pizza, you are selling harness, you are selling custom text mug. So they have the built-in options for you. I will show you how it actually works. And then if you click on product personalizer templates, you will get again 20 templates. This is the product personalization is one of the most difficult niches to work with because of the product options. You have to give your customer the experience of how the product will actually look like. So as you can see, birth flower pillow. Once you add the name and logo, it will show live in front of you. This is how it works. So if you want to see the templates in action, for example, I'll show you. Let's start with something really tough. I'm telling you, see, pick and mix sweets. So if you are selling sweets, this is like a magic for you. And Once you install this template, you will realize that this the price that this app is offering, this is absolutely nothing to the features they are providing. So if I click on view demo, you will see how this complex niche, they have simplified the complex niche. So pick and mix switch, as you can see, 13.99. It will take like you can say, if you install this template, your customer will face approximately 1 to 2 seconds delay maximum. But I think it could be lessened as well. But because they are loading a lot of options, so this is not something your customer will face some trouble because of a lot of options and because of the convenience they are facing. So pick and mix switch, this is the most difficult one. So you have to pick the switch and then add to cart. As you can see, you have to select 20 switches, otherwise you won't be able to add to cart. For example, if I try to add to cart, this is a required option. So for example, if I try to add to uh, uh, 4 switches, and if I try to add, so it will not let me add it. Okay, so if I want to add something, if you want to add 6 switches here, 7 switches, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So it will show me the number as well, 15 switches. So 2 switches from here. So all the options that, so yeah, now I can add to cart. So this is how easier they have become. If you are selling a chart, this is the best idea for any entrepreneur. If you are selling a jar of switch, the only thing that you need to do is to install this template and replace it with your own product option, product images. Otherwise you can use this as well. So let me show you some other templates as well. So I'm trying to find something a little complex that people actually get confused. Yeah, oh, gift box, this is something that's not easy. I'm telling seriously. So personalized gift box, as you can see. So yeah, the page is loaded. So you first you select the box, and then the gifts, and then the candle scent, then the candied popcorn flavor, and then the card. A lot of options. Then the greeting card message, then the date and dispatch time preference. All the things are available within this one. So for example, if I select this box, for example, I select this box, it adds the $8, and then I want to select the gift. So this will be the gift. So basically, you are giving a personalized gift box to any loved one. So then you also want to add the candle. I add this candle, and then the popcorn flavor. I want to add this popcorn flavor. So this is something really interesting. So you want to add a wine tumbler. I don't want to add it. So if you want to select the card, you can select greeting and happy birthday, dear. Okay. So date is, you can also select the date, and dispatch time is okay. So your selection will add an additional charge of $31. Okay. So basically, if I add this product, so basically it has added additional $31 to the original product price, and this is how it works. You can see the options in the like the card as well. So now it's time to show you how the other options, the most complex ones, the product personalization, personalizer templates first. So if I click on this one, let me show you the demo as well. Then after the demos, I will show you how you can create these options in your own store, which is absolutely easy. So product personalizer template, I will select a template which is relatively difficult, not something easy. Star map poster. Yeah, I think I have no one to advise me. Which option should I show? So I think we should go with this one. So if you click on star map poster, it will show you the option, and you will see live how this option actually works. So for example, if I select this design is beautiful, and names are Ahmed. So as you can see, it is showing me live how it actually works. Ahmed, okay. So title is uh, meetup, first meetup place. So Ahmed and Sarah, we can do something like this. Okay, that's not a problem. Location is Pakistan. Okay, just you can also add the coordinates, but it is not required for now. You can, yeah. Oh, okay. You have to add the coordinates. I think it's as you can see, this product is very detailed. Uh, I think I have to select the coordinates and then add it. So let me add the coordinates. Okay, I have fetched the coordinates of my city, but these coordinates are just as a reference. So I was thinking that this globe will also change. So no problem. So date I will add like 20 June 2021. Okay, and the time is okay. This time is good. And uh, title, just ignore this title. Okay, and you can also select the frame. As you can see, this is a very complex product, and you just customize the whole experience, and you can also do something like this, and it will add the options for you. So I think it will take some time to refresh. Yeah. Okay. It's working. So as you can see, this is how it works. This looks really fine. You can see in actual how this thing actually works. So I think we should. I think it's important that we should look at some other product as well, because product personalizer is some of the things that are very that should be very detailed. I'm telling you seriously. So birth flower pillow. So this is another complex product. So this is why I love this app. They have made the things so easy, so easy. These are the things that people hesitate to start as an entrepreneur because of the steps they have to follow. So for example, size. So we have to select the size of the pillow. I like the bigger pillow, okay? And number of flowers, three. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So you can select the first flower and violet, daffodil. Oh my goodness. As you can see, this is some of the things. And Ahmad, okay. And then again, you can select the second flower. Oh, if I select eight flowers, basically I can customize each and every flower. That's the best thing. Oh my goodness. Basically, this is like a family tree. You can say you can add eight family members, and the thing is amazing. I think I can go with three one. Okay, Ahmed and Sarah. Again Ahmed. Okay. So as you can see, this looks so beautiful. I wasn't expecting this. And to be very honest, I have seen this template for the first time. This is so detailed. Oh my goodness, this is brilliant, brilliant. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. So this is a very cool concept. I can say this is very. I think this is something I haven't seen in many stores. So I think the concept is clear to you. Now I will show you how you can apply this template for your own store. So this is the second part of this video, and if you're watching on YouTube, obviously you will see it as a complete video. But if you're watching on LinkedIn, I'm planning to upload it as a separate two parts so that you can understand it easily. We have already discussed how these Easify options work and the templates. I've explained their whole mechanism, but it is really important that you know how to implement it on your store. So, for example, I will select one of my favorite templates, which would not be too much complex, but we can start with product option templates, and I will show you. Yes, pick and mix switch. Okay, so you have to click on use template. Okay, so before that, you have to create a product named as suites. If you don't have the product, obviously you have to assign that template to any random product, and it won't make any sense. Okay, these templates work only if you like. Let me close my screen. So these templates only work if you have the product relevant product created. Otherwise you have to add this template to any product. So as you can see, the second step, select all products, select manually select products. So we will create a product. It's very important. We have to create a product whose name should be mix suites, and then we will add it to we will add the template to that product. If you just understand this simple example, trust me, there would be no issue at all of understanding this app, because this app is so easy. sweet box. Okay, and then we don't have to add any image for now, or if you can, if you want to add, you can add image. Okay, no problem. Okay, I think we can create an image because this is 2026. A box of sweets. So I think you should be very comfortable creating images with AI. Shopify has improved a lot. As you can see, an AI image is generated, but I like this image, so I will keep it. Obviously, this is a test project, so I can do some cheating as well. Okay, so we have to add some base price as well for this box. I think 500 should be a good price. Okay, so for the quantity, I think we should do like 100 is okay. Okay, and yeah, I think that's okay for the test product. Sweet box, and we just save it. Now we have to assign this product to this template, and this example would just make sense for even for some complex options. Like let me show you. This method works for everyone. Okay, so if you have like if you click on templates, and then you click on product personality templates, the same strategy would be applied for these as well. There is no issue at all. Okay, but we are going with my favorite option, which I like a lot, pick and mix suites, and you have to click on use template. If you want manual option, you can go with it, you can add your own fields, but I don't like that option. I want something that is already built in. Okay, so okay, I think it's not enabled. Okay. So the product, so the template name is pick and mix suites enabled, and we already have the option select your suites. We can see how it actually looks like. So we can click on edit and see how it's actually works. So basically, it has 52 values. 52 values. That's something really amazing. But I don't want such options. So I want to just remove this one, juicy red lips. I want to remove, and I want to remove this as well. I want to remove this as well. So it would be like 49. Okay, I just want 40 options. 40 options are more than enough. Yeah, and but I like you can also change these images just on a side note. I want to tell you, if you want to change your images or change the name, you can add it, but I am happy with them because I like this template a lot. So, for example, if you want to change this image, you can change the image. You can download an images if you want. You can also add additional price for this one, but I don't want to add price. Okay, so this is how it works, and then you have to assign it to any product. We have just created a product which name is sweet box, and then select and more settings. No, I think it should be done for all customers. Okay, we have done already done all the options. As you can see, yeah, this is it. We have already done the steps that were required. You just have to click on save, and now you have to see whether it has worked or not. So you will just cross it, and my templates, no, my templates not. Now we have to click on option sets, and we have already created this option. So this option set shows that you have assigned that template to any product, and if you want to create your own custom set, if you have the idea in your mind, you can just click on create option set, and you can add your own fields and assign to any product you want. We will see how this actually looks like and whether it works fine or not, but let's see how we can create our own option set. You click on create option set, and then everything will be manual. So you have to add a name, and then you have to select this option from list. For example, if I want to add like a radio button, I can add the options from here. It's the same thing. So this is the radio button, and if you want to add more radio buttons, so radio button, so you have like only one option. We want to add another option, option number 2, and this is how it will work. As you can see, we have to radio button options, and then if you want to add some more option, so this is, if you have the idea, just you can go with it. If you want to add the drop down, if you want to add the image swatch, obviously, so image swatches, you can just click on it and you can add unlimited. I'm not sure unlimited, but I think we can add like 10 image swatches. You can add the image from here. You can add the option name and price, the same structure how it was working. So this is how it was, but I think it's not necessary. I was just to show you, you can create your own templates if you are not comfortable with the built-in templates. Okay, so let's see our store how it is actually looking. So yeah, so view your store. So let's see if it is working fine or not. So we will see. I think this was our product sweet box. And now we will see whether this app works fine or not. So as you can see, select your source looking really fine, but I don't like this AI image. I will change it later on if I want to. So for example, you have to select your suites, 20 suites. Okay, so you have to select a total of 20 suites. And yes, will select this one, this one, this one, this one. So this is very easy to one thing I tell you, this is the best customer experience. I'm a CRO expert. I know this is the best customer experience. Customers know how much sweets he or she has added. So this is how, for example, if I want to add this four, working really fine, and I want to add this five, and this is it. I can't add more sweets. Okay, so I will click on add to cart, and we will see whether it is working fine or not. So as you can see, all the sweets are labeled here, and it is like 500 rupees. We haven't charged extra for any sweet. This is how the things work. You can edit any template you want. For example, I'm just giving you an example, although I've explained everything. If you click on Easify options, and then you click on like I'll show you, you click on templates. Just on a side note, I'm telling you that you can do this as well. Click on template, and then you click on product personalizer template. This works the same way. This works the same way, not a problem. Okay, it will work as, but you have to assign the product accordingly. You have to create the product accordingly. Okay, this works the same way, not a problem. So for example, if you click on use template, it works the same way, not nothing different format. Okay, this is just a single field, your photo. Okay, you have to add a photo, and then it will adjust accordingly. But make sure when you create the test product, you have to assign the relevant photo. Please don't create a random photo. You, for these options, for example, if you are selling, I'm again explaining you, if you are selling photo ornament, you have to add the product, the thing that you want to apply the photo on accordingly. You can't add a random product. Okay, so for the product personalized template, you have to create this image by a designer, and then you can upload it. For example, this one, you have to create this image by a designer, and then you can use it. Okay, so this is up to you. If you want to create a, you want to sell a tumbler on which customers can apply their own text or image, you have to create the Tumblr image yourself. For example, if I click on use template, you can see they have already created the option, but it is really, really important that you create the mug. Okay, so product image is this one, as you can see. So you have to create a product accordingly. I hope the things are clear. This app alone is too lengthy to explain, because I know I haven't done justice to this app. This app is so detailed. I can make a complete tutorial like for 1 hour, but I'm signing this off. I hope the things are clear. I will wait in the comment section. I will wait for you. If you have any issue, please let me know, and I will see you in the next video. And this app is highly, highly recommended by me. Thank you very much.